Hi everyone, this is the continuation video for reversible reaction. So previous video I introduced to you on how to derive the rate net for reversible reactions. So I'm gonna show it again in this slide. So we have, for example, the reversible of A producing B and B is producing back to A. So saya akan pecahkan kepada dua reaction, which is forward and reverse. So the first step is forward reaction, in which A producing B with rate constant of K1. So the rate law untuk forward reaction, we can make it as, let's say, RA1. RA1 stands for forward reaction, K1 Ca. So we have to assume that this reaction is elementary, so meaning that your rate law, the reaction order here will be in accordance with the coefficient of limiting reactant. So for the second step, in which we make the reverse reaction, in which B produce back to A with rate constant of K underscore 1, and this can be written in terms of RB2 or RA2. So ini adalah reverse reaction punya rate law. So K1 Ca. So kalau nak cari rate A overall, dia bersamaan dengan RA forward plus RA reverse. So in this case, kita buat term RA1 plus RA2. So since yang ini kita derive dia negatif RA1, so kalau RA1 without negative, so negatif ni akan pindah ke sebelah kanan, so K1 Ca. So dia adalah negatif K1 Ca plus K underscore 1 Cb. Sorry, Cb. Kat sini Cb. Ini RA net. Kalau kita negatifkan RA net, so maksudnya the sign at right hand side will be different. So ni adalah basic, saya harap you guys boleh faham lah, okay? So ini akan jadi positif, yang ini negatif, K underscore 1 Cb. So basically this is the overall RA net ataupun RA overall untuk reversible A kepada B. Okay, saya nak tunjuk satu teori K equilibrium bersamaan juga dengan K forward divided by K reverse, dan juga bersamaan dengan concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. Okay, tadi kita dapat kita ambil contoh yang equation reversible A kepada B. So kita dapat dia punya rate law as K1CA minus K underscore 1CB, in which that the reaction rate K1 is for K forward, reaction rate forward. K underscore 1 is reaction constant, reverse. So kalau saya factorize K1 CA, so dia akan jadi begini, betul tak? Okay. So untuk term yang ini, K underscore 1 K1, ini adalah sama dengan rate constant reverse divided by rate constant forward. So ini adalah bersama dengan 1 over K equilibrium. Okay, ada buku dia buat K equilibrium as KC. So sama je. Jadi untuk equation ini kita boleh tulis as RA net bersamaan dengan K1 CA divided by CB over K equilibrium, capital equilibrium. Okay. As a continuation, at equilibrium of thermodynamics of reversible reaction, K equilibrium is actually equals to 0 pada keadaan equilibrium. Keadaan equilibrium means di mana forward reaction and reverse reaction, they are at equilibrium. So when that happens, the K equilibrium is equals to 0. So bermakna equation tadi RA net, wait, I think I'm wrong. Actually at equilibrium, it's not K equilibrium, the reaction rate actually, the RA net is equals to 0. So equation tadi yang kita dapat K1 CA minus CB over K equilibrium is also equals to 0. Okay, bermakna juga kalau kita tengok balik equation ni, so CA minus CB over K equilibrium is equals to 0. So when you rearrange this equation, so you akan dapat K equilibrium bersamaan dengan CB over CA actually. So in this case, kita akan letak notation of equilibrium here, EQ. Okay, this happens only at equilibrium where RA net equals to 0. Okay, So the information that I give you just now is actually um, apa tu? Explaining this slide, in which that if your reversible reaction adalah ini, so you akan dapat your K equilibrium has to be this, and also to be this one. And if it is at if it is using gas phase, so kita boleh juga guna concentration, instead of concentration kita akan guna pressure equilibrium, okay, which is pressure product versus reactants, versus pula product, pressure product divide by pressure of reactant. So kalau yang ini adalah concentration of product divide by reactant. Dan in this case, for this slide, kalau your reversible reaction is 2A producing B, so I think I want to give this as assignment. And first thing first, that saya bagi hints. 2A producing B ni, so you kena dividekan kepada dua step lah. Okay, maksudnya first forward reaction, and then second is the reverse reaction. So I want you to find what is the RA net. Kemudian actually you need to find the stoichiometry for CA and CB. So then only you can actually get this kind of term. How about trying it? Okay, thank you.